In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive customer payments in Xero. If you're a small business owner or someone who handles accounts receivable, knowing how to efficiently record customer payments can streamline your bookkeeping process, keeping your financials up to date and accurate. Let's dive in. First, make sure you've logged into Xero successfully. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard. This is really your command center, giving you an overview of your financials at a glance. Now, direct your attention to the top navigation bar and locate the business menu. Click on it, and from that drop-down menu, you'll want to select Invoices. This section contains a detailed list of all the invoices tied to your account. What you'll want to focus on next is the Awaiting Payment tab. This tab is critical because it organizes all invoices that are yet to be paid, and it helps you concentrate on those specific transactions. Take a moment to review the invoices in this section. Once you've identified the invoice for which you've received payment, go ahead and click on it. This will bring up the invoice details, allowing you to check all the associated information. Then, find the Add Payment button and click on it. Doing so will bring up a prompt for you to enter the payment details. Here's where you need to spend a little extra time. Input the payment amount and the date the payment was made. You'll also need to select the account where the payment will be deposited. This is a crucial step because the account you choose impacts how your financials are organized and reported. After you've selected the appropriate account, you'll enter a reference for this payment. This reference could be anything that helps with identification, such as a customer name or an invoice number. Once you've ensured all the details are accurate and filled out, confirm the payment by clicking Add. This action will record the payment against the selected invoice, thus updating its status in your records. The next step is to send a payment receipt to your customer. To do this, return to the Invoice Overview where you will find the Send Receipt option. Select this to draft an email to your customer. As you prepare this email, take a moment to ensure that your receipt email format is clear and professional. Often, an option to send me a copy is available, and it's advisable to check this box. Having a record of the correspondence can be crucial for tracking and verifying transactions later on. Finally, complete the process by hitting Send. And there you have it, a quick and seamless way to receive and record payments in Xero. This efficient process keeps your financial data current while enhancing your customer service through timely communication. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps with your day-to-day business operations. Until next time, take care and stay productive.